my gosh, guys, it's Flawless Wolf Claus again, and I'm here with Lola Wolf.
Hi.
And we are under a bridge, and it's like raining really bad.
So like,
Oh my gosh, it's raining really bad. I can't read our bikes each other. Oh my gosh, it's like raining so bad.
oh my gosh, we're gonna die.
We're totally gonna die.
And we're under a freaking highway.
Yeah, and that means like a car can roll over.
We need to look at it though. Like, it's raining hard.
It's really bad. Do not do drugs.
Yeah, do not do drugs. Bad. Don't ever do drugs.
It's so scary, guys.
Follow my Instagram at Lola Wolf Sky, and my Snapchat is Lola Wolf 120. Follow her Snapchat at.
Flawless Wolf Claus, and my Instagram, Flawless Wolf Claus, and my YouTube, Flawless Wolf Claus.
Well, you guys are already subscribed to my YouTube channel, so
And go subscribe to her.
yeah.
I'll leave her links down below.
I'll leave links down below if I'm not too lazy to do that.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's raining so bad.
It's raining so bad in the area I live in.
Okay, I'm gonna walk down there to show you guys.
Same.
I'm like sliding on my butt. Oh gosh, oh gosh.
Hey, at least this is safe because.
Ah! It's like so bad, guys.
You can't even see the mountain. We're legit just like sitting here.
See you guys, okay, I'm gonna show you. My phone's probably gonna get wet. It's like raining that bad, guys. Ah! Oh gosh. Oh no! My phone just got so wet, soaked wet.
So if we're trying to rain.
See you guys? It's so bad.
Look at this. This is
Did you just see that lightning?
oh my gosh, you can't even see the mountains anymore.
Oh my gosh.
Follow Duh It's Mark on YouTube and on Instagram, Duh It's Mark or Mark Thomas on YouTube. Follow his Snapchat on Tumblr Mark and follow Jacob Sartorius on Instagram and Jacob Sartorius on YouTube.
Yeah, follow all of them. It's so, oh gosh.
Dude, I really have to pee and this isn't helping.
Dude, look at this.
You see this? This is freaking. Tell me I got the rain in the camera.
Look at this, guys. It is like raining so bad. I probably gonna have to call my dad to come pick us up.
No, I'm just gonna freaking ride. I'm just gonna stay here for like a few and just eat my shit. Okay, leave a comment and stuff and tell us how your weather is, and the animal of the day is wolves or snakes.
Okay, so the question of the day is, have you guys ever been in a really, really bad snowstorm
Yeah.
or rainstorm? And yes, I have, like a million times. What about you?
Yeah, I've been in so many. I've even had to walk home from school in a hailstorm. It was
Yeah.
bad. I got knocked out from a big chunk of hail in Colorado. It was hilarious. Just a big chunk of hail fell from the sky and hit me on the head, and I was knocked out under a tree.
Yeah, well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. The question of the day is, have you ever been in a snowstorm or a really bad rainstorm? Comment down below.